Hey everyone, Brendan from Brinkley RV here today. I'm going to be giving you an overview of our 5500 watt gen that comes standard on all Model Gs. So up here in the front storage we have our RVMP Flex Power 5500 watt gen. We will open up this cover so we can get a good view of what's going on back here. So there's a ton of neat features with it. It's a dual fuel, so you can run on LP or gasoline. It's an inverted gen, so unlike an Onan, you power it up, it runs at full tilt. With this gen, it'll only rev up when you need to pull more power, so it's quieter, takes up less space. It's an awesome gen. You can control it from here, you can power it on. You can also power it on from the one control, and you also have a manual pull here. So if your battery's dead, you flip it to LP and you can power it up with a pull as well. So unlike most generators, it is dual fuel, so you can run on LP or gas. It's an inverted gen, so when you pull power is when it revs up. Most gens are always running at full tilt. That's the nice thing about it. It's quieter. You don't have to worry about hearing it humming along all day. So here's the lever to switch from propane to gasoline. When it's to the left, you're on propane. If you switch it to the right, you're on gasoline. You can switch these when the generator is running as well.